In this video, I'm going to teach you how to be happy in life. And by the end of it, you'll understand the process for knowing exactly precisely what to do at any given point on any given day in order to feel your happiest. And if you stay to the end, I will show you how to access the 13 questions that I used to access this for myself. Now, when we're talking about being happy in life, sometimes we're not. And sometimes our internal environment can feel a bit like this, a bit dark, a bit sad, a bit despondent. What we want in life is for our internal environment to feel like this, bright, sharp, crisp, ordered, and just happy. So in order to go from not happy to happy, we have to understand exactly what our own personal light switches for our mind are, what our personal triggers for happiness, because they're going to be different for everyone, because we're all different. That brings us to the concept of values, which are your personal triggers for happiness. Now, a bit of psychology 101 here. What happens is your mind has observed everything that's ever happened to you in your life, from the time you're born to this moment right here, and it summarizes every activity and every event, and it comes up with a list of things that are of most value to it, hence the name highest values. When we really value something and we get to experience it, we feel great and the lights come on. When we really value something and it's taken from us or we don't get to experience it, we can feel a bit sad, a bit dark, a bit despondent, and the lights go off. Using me as the example, what we have here is age 35, I used the 13 questions that I talked about earlier to uncover what my personal triggers for happiness are. Then I compared them to the things that I'd done in 18 years post-school using the color chart down below, where red is bad and blue is good. And that's what life came back at me. Largely, the lights are off. Pretty dark, pretty sad, pretty challenging. Then I used own triggers for happiness to choose what I would do in life going forwards, and then I went and did them, and that's what life came back as. So the lights were definitely on here. I knew what my light switches were. I could flick them on, so the light was always on up top. Before, after, lights off, lights on. What's the difference? I had formally studied myself to formally uncover what my own personal triggers for happiness are. And if you want to be happy in life, that is non-negotiable and that is critical. So some of you would like to access this for yourself. If you would like to access the 13 questions that I used to uncover this for myself, just throw a comment in down below, say me please, and I will send you the link with the 13 questions so that you can access this for yourself. And if you've watched this video, you're probably looking for more info about the game of life. Watch my next video titled The Game of Life in order to get an understanding of the big picture about the game that we're all playing that we never really get taught about.